So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to open up a joint account on the KOHO Financial application. So once the KOHO Financial app is opened up, go to the top left-hand side of your screen and press on the profile icon. Once you're on this page, I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you guys are at the bottom where it says teaming up pays off, create a joint account to make money, progress together, go ahead and select that. It'll then redirect you to this screen right here where you can go ahead and sort of read more about it. So both of you full control. That's just the start up to 3.5% interest, 2% cash back, launching soon, etc. You can either type in an invitation code if you want to join someone's account that way, or if you want to open up a joint account, you can press the pro button at the bottom and then proceed with the next steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to open up a joint account on the KOHO Financial application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.